Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will learn what's new in Laravel 10.16. Our reference in this video is Laravel News and I will attach this link in the video description. So let's start. First of all, if we want to upgrade our Laravel version, as we can see here, we will open our composer.json and we will change the Laravel framework key here to 10.16. After that, we will run composer update and it will work. I already upgraded it. So now if I say artisan about here, I will see my Laravel version is 10.16, right? So let's start with the first new change or feature. As you can see here, the improvement of display for subminute scheduled tasks in Artisan. If we go here to our kernel inside console folder, and we have these two commands, this inspire runs every 30 seconds, and this say hi runs every 1 second. And if I go here and I will say artisan schedule list, here is the improvement of view the cron here, and it runs every 30 seconds, inspire, and the next due or next call of this command will be after 26 seconds, and the same also here for say hi runs every second, and it will run also after 1 second, right? The second feature here for binding IPv6, I will skip for it. And last thing, adding support for backed enum in a group by method for collection. To make it clear, I have this users table, and as we can see, I have roles. Some are admins, some are editors, and I have only one user who is super admin. And here's my user model, very simple. And if I open Tinker here to show it to you, artisan Tinker, I will say user where in role, and I will say fetch in admin and super admin must be an array here, where in array, and I will say get. After that, I want to group them for maybe for a case, group them by role. And as we can see, I have super admin group here, and I have this array of admin group also, right? And now in my user model, I want to cast this role model or role column for roles enum. And if we notice here, I have only admin and editor in my roles, but I don't have super admin. So let's see. After enabling a cast here, I will reopen Tinker again, and actually I will use here, instead of hard-coded values directly, I will say, for example, like this, roles, or take the namespace, backslash roles, admin, for example. And if I try to run it, now I have get this error, super admin is not backing enum inside roles. In other words, this super admin doesn't exist in the roles model. The same like this code here, if I say it here, rules, and it uses from method, from super admin, non-existing value, the same error. So it will enforce you maybe for best practice code to add it to your roles enum. So I will say here case super admin, it will be super admin here. And if I try again, it will work correctly, right? Here's quickly what's new in Laravel 10.16. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you in next videos.